Anand. I'm your social study teacher. Today we're going to discuss about the social study of class 3. The chapter which we're going to discuss today is the 6th chapter of your book, that is types of houses. The 6th chapter from your book, that is types of our houses. In this very chapter, we will discuss about the different type of houses, different type of uses of houses, what are the benefits of houses, and what are the temporary house, what are the permanent house, what are the kacha or pakka houses, how house protect us from the different things. So let's get started with my chapter. Now, house. We built our house to live in. House protect us from many different things that are. House protect us from heat. Suppose you are having lots many heat outside, what we used to do, we go it inside our house, put on our fan, put on our AC, and we used to stay safe, stay relaxed at our house, at our sweet home. Next, house protect us from cold. In winter, you used to get winter vacation, isn't? To stay at home. We used to get winter vacation at our school to stay at home because that is lots many cold. So to protect us from cold, we used to stay at house. Third is rain. House protect us from rain. Suppose it's raining very heavily outside, what we used to go, we used to stay at our home and we used to wait for the rain to stop. House also protect us from animals. There are lot many animals find around us, dogs, snakes, etc. Many animals. So if we stay at our home, we will keep neat and tidy home. Then these animals will not harm us. From the flies, many things you can find, cockroaches, many type of flies, many type of small insects, worms. These things are available at our home. If we will keep our home very neat and clean, if we will keep our house very neat and tidy, these things cannot present there and we will be safe at our house. House protects us from thieves. You can keep your valuable things at your home very safely. House protects us from thieves. If you will keep your valuable things, your mobile phone, gadgets, your valuable jewelry, dresses outside the house, what will happen? It will be taken away by the thieves, by the bad peoples. But when we will keep these things at our home, we will keep our money at our home, we will keep our jewelry at our home, the thieves cannot get it from there because at house we can keep our things very safely and very nicely. House also protect us from storm. We are getting so many heavily rain, strong winds. We can be protected by these things. So house is very initial for us. So house is very much important in everybody's life. Either you can see the human beings' life is very important for house is very important for their life. You can see the animals house is very important for them also. Animals live on trees, animals live on caves, animals live on holes inside the earth. So these are the house for those animals and that is very important for them also. You can see the nest of the birds. They are the house of the bird. They used to make it very nicely. You have seen the nest? Yes. You have seen how nicely the bird used to make their nest, to live in, to give birth to their child, to make them grow, to make them fly. They used to sit on their nest. It looks very beautiful. So, house is very important for the birds, for the small creatures also. You have seen the honeybee wave. You have seen? So, yes, that is the house for the honeybee. They used to bring nectar from the flower and they used to store that nectar in that very wave and we get the sweet honey from there. So, you have seen many ants and all. They used to make a small hole in our house also and they used to live inside that holes. You can see snakes also. You can find many other worms, insects. These are the house for that very insect or that very creature. So house is very important for every creatures. So what are the things house gives us? House gives us safety stores. As I said in our few minutes before, that house is protecting us from the thieves, from the bad people, from the negative energies. House protects us from that. So house protects from, gives us the safety stores. We can keep our food items for whole year. You have seen your parents buying so many rice, pulses and used to store in a big container and can use for the whole year. So we used to keep as a safety stores. We used to keep money also, and that are very safe at our house. House gives us rest. If you have traveled a day or you are coming to school as a children, you are coming to school, you are studying here, you are sitting here, you are taking food here, you are drinking water, but you are not feeling so fresh, isn't it? So when you will return home, you will just go on your bed at your home and you are feeling so relaxed. Are you feeling it or not? Yes. So our house is the best place where we can take rest. If you will ask your mom or your dad that please don't disturb me for some time, you are feeling so relaxed at your home, isn't? So our house protects us or gives us rest, proper rest. So comfort. You will feel so many comfortability at your home only. If you are visiting to your friend's house or you are visiting to your relative house, you will not feel as comfortable as your own house. You can sit wherever you wish, you can do whatever you wish at your home, but if you are visiting to somebody other place, you cannot feel that much comfort level, isn't? So house gives us comfort. House gives us happiness. In a house, a family used to stay, they used to eat together, they used to play together, they used to work together, they used to fight together as well. Is it so? In that small fight also happiness comes. Isn't? So house gives us everything. Happiness, fight, small things we are celebrating, celebrations we do at our house, and we are very happy for that. It gives us peace of mind. House gives us peace of mind. Wherever you are doing, your daddy is working outside, they used to come for the vacation and they are getting very much relaxed. They are getting the peace of mind at their house. So house gives us peace of mind. House gives us sleep. Comfort sleep. We used to sleep at hotel also. We used to sleep at relative place also. But as comfortable sleep as we are sleeping at our home, it is not at any other place. So house gives us sleep. House gives us rest. House gives us happiness. House gives us safety stores. House gives us peace of mind. House is the basic need of our life. As you have heard from the many times, house is the basic need as much important as the food we eat and the cloth we wear. In Hindi we used to say roti, kapda or makan. Have you heard that? So roti means food, kapda means clothes we wear, and makan means house. So these are the basic requirement for the human beings or for the basic requirement for our life. So hope you have understood up to here. Next we will discuss about the types of houses. Now houses you have seen, your nearby you have seen houses made of muds, houses made up of bricks, buildings, bungalow, flats and small cottage. You have seen these types of houses. So now we will categorize these types of houses into the different parts. So house is divided into two types, permanent house and temporary house. What are the two types of houses? Permanent and temporary. It is very clear from the word permanent house that is the house which are made by the labor, by the bricks, cement, that is made for the many years, that is unbreakable. Permanent house are the unbreakable houses. You have seen the school buildings. These are the strong. Can you break this wall? No, because these are the permanent wall. But the wall made up of muds. Wall made up of mud. In a village area, you have seen the wall made up of mud. That are the breakable. But these are not breakable. These are breaking with lots many difficulties. So, permanent house is also known as pakka house. Second one is temporary house. That is kacha house. Temporary house is also known as kacha house. So, now we will discuss about the permanent house. The type of houses which is made by the bricks, cement, stones, sand. You have seen these things and the making of the house. It takes a long time to make. We used to give the floor, the roof, okay. Then we used to have the power point. Then we used to have the pipelines. We used to have electric lines. Everything. Then our pakka house is ready. We used to give door, windows, and lots many locks. And then our pakka house is ready to live. Then we used to have different type of paints also at our home, different type of creating different scenes, creating different wall designs, tiles, marble, these type of things are used in a pakka houses, okay, or permanent houses. But kacha houses are not the permanent house. These houses are the type of houses made for the fulfill the requirement of house for the limited time. Okay. For example, if you can see the temporary house are divided into several parts. There are many types of examples of temporary house. We will discuss one by one. First one is hut. You have seen hut? Hut is a type of mud house with straw that are built in a village. When it rains so heavily, these houses used to collapse. Okay, so hut is not the permanent house. These are temporarily made in the village, mostly in the village area, and these are not as safe as the permanent house. Tent. You have seen the tent? Hopefully you have gone for the picnic, or you have seen the celebrating, what you can say, occasions. We used to put tent. Okay, we are used to put the bamboos and tie the synthetic clothes all around, and plastic on the roof area, so the water cannot get inside. And these are known as tent. These are the very temporary. We can just lift it up and move it to the different places. Third is the log house. Log house are the type of houses made up of woods. Trunk of the trees are arranged nicely to make a proper house. Houses on the stilt. These are the houses made on the stilt. These are the houses made on the bamboos and on the stories area. Igloo. Igloo is a type of houses made up of snow. Okay. These are the houses which is made up of snow. Caravan. Caravan is a type of houses that are on wheels. In previous ages, people used to make the caravan type of houses. They are the nomads people used to make the caravan. They used to take the wheels, they used to take the vehicle and used to make house on the vehicles. Caravan is the house on the vehicles, house having wheels. They used to take that wheels from one house from one place to another with the help of these wheels. And the last one is the houseboat. Last one is the houseboat. This type of houseboat is available in a Kashmir area where people used to make a house on the boat, and they used to float from one place to different place for the food and different things which they required. So up to here we have discussed what are the uses of house. House are used for sleep, rest, happiness, comfort and so safety storage. House protect us from the wind, cold, rain, thieves, animals, and what are the house, permanent and the temporary house. So house is very important. A clean house is a healthy house. So we should keep our house very neat and clean. What type of houses we are, either temporary or permanent, we should keep our house very neat and tidy to keep ourselves healthy. That's all for today. Just go